Hey guys, today we got this Grenaro wireless microphone. This is the P11 model, and I've got this for the 1900. You may get it for around 2000, 2200, 1900s. Now we're gonna unbox this. So we don't use 10 types of extensive tools to do these things. You can see that they're muscular and veiny hands. Right, let's get the bad boy out. Oh damn, I'm glad this looks hella crazy though. So first off, box the microphone here. Yeah, so we have got this. Okay. I have no idea why it is like this. This is USB type A to type C, but there are two type C's connected to the same type A. I don't know why this is like this. If you know, then maybe comment. This is a connector given if you are using an iPhone under 15. Now let's keep all of these bullshit aside. Let's get the bad boy in the frame. Here is it. So let's go. Let's fucking go. Ooh. That's somewhat how it looks. Let's keep here. Yeah. So as you can see here, we have the Grenaro P11 microphone. Inverted and shake it, they do not fall off. So, and also one thing that they have this plastic cover on their charging ports, which won't allow them to charge unless you take them off. Because and now that I've took this off, I'll put this in the case again and see if they charge. Yes, they are charging. You can see the red light here. Take off the plastic from the battery port of this one too, and try to do a little ASMR, which didn't happen. Epic fail. So now I'll put this one in again. I think like right now you're hearing my voice from the iPhone's microphone itself. I'm not using any sort of mic. So when this will be charged, I'll connect these to the iPhone and then we'll hear if the microphone of the iPhone is better or should you go and buy this one. I'll give the final verdict then. The audio that's now being recorded is being recorded through this microphone. So tell me how the voice is. I think the voices might be quite good because as I have seen in the reviews, this microphone is really good for the price point that it comes on. So you guys tell me, I'll see this in the edit and only then I can give my final verdict. Till then, actually I faced a problem that when I'm plugging it around here, when I'm speaking directly into it, like facing down and speaking, then it's catching really good voice, but when I'm looking up facing the camera and then speaking, it's not catching same sort of voice that it is while facing it. So what I'll do is I'll just unpin it from here and I'll pin it somewhere. Let's say I pin it on my cap. Okay, so I think the voice that will now reach the camera would be quite better than the previous one. So you tell me, how is the voice right now? Is it better than when it was pinned down here? To be honest, in my opinion, the price point that this microphone comes on, it has a really good audio. I didn't expect it to be like this because the microphones that I've used in the past, of various brands, I won't take the name, but their microphones have this problem that they make your voice sound very robotic, and that's why I used to despise mics of this price range. But this is the best microphone in this price range that I've used so far, and the voice is really, really, really good. So I'll definitely suggest if you are going for a microphone and your budget is somewhere around 2000 2500, and definitely go for this one. There's a lot of noise in the background and I haven't turned on the noise cancellation of this mic, but yet it's performing very well. I just told you, if that's your budget, then just go for this one blindly. Okay, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.